Okay, so here's the thing. I went to this very esteemed college.
Take out the key fob.
I wanted to have a psychiatrist on board. Pretty surprising, but very excited. And when I went there, I was expecting like, okay, what will be your terms? What will be your visiting hours, etc., etc. And I talked to like the directors of the institute. It is a big institute in Delhi. So the conversation was pretty weird. क्या करेंगे आप psychiatry में? What is the need for it for the mental health of the student? We already have a counselor. So I followed up with questions like, okay, is she a psychologist? Does she deal with mental health issues or just career counseling? And they just did not have an answer to that. And they were really just wanting a number out of my mouth for how much money I will take to see the clients. So I had to explain my field to her. And what should have been an interview was more about introduction to mental health for students. But what really enraged me is कि कैसे आप इतना बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूट चलाते हो and you just don't know how or why you should or have a psychiatrist in the first place, or what your counselor is doing. How are you not aware about that at all? And if you're not aware of that, then of course you're not aware of the mental health issues or even the health issues that the students in your own college are having. And if you're not aware of it, how are you solving any problems for them which are related to their mental health? And they were also concerned that what if someone comes to you for treatment and you give them tablets or something and they end up consuming them all together. How do we account for that? Who will account for that? So the point is that you are okay with the children in your institute, going through severe mental health issues, probably having suicidal ideations, but you're not okay with having people who are at high risk under some sort of observation, providing them with support that will really help them. But you are just concerned about the accountability of it. It's okay to be skeptical about how things work, but denying accountability, not wanting accountability for something that you are inherently accountable for. And when I finally asked कि भाई मैम हम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? Why are we here? Why are you wanting to recruit a psychiatrist? She actually said it was because of some government regulations and guidelines that they just wanted someone on the board for the name of it. So yes, that's what is the state of how we perceive mental health, key importance in even institutes which are big, really big, and have a substantial amount of around 2,000 to 3,000 students. So yeah. Great.